Hello! I'll be at the Hurricane Renaissance Fair this weekend with lots of new wares. I have several new tie-dyes. This cool one happens to be my favorite. All my tie-dyes are $25 each. I have sizes XL and double XL. We have this fun design. Huzzah! Ren Fair season is my favorite season, if you cannot tell. For those of you who put the she in shenanigans, I put this one on some tie-dye shirts as well. We also have a bonus this time around. I have a few onesies for you Ren Fair parents. Because why wouldn't you say huzzah about your new baby? Also, I put the she and shenanigans on one of these. But your all's favorite thing, the loot bags. The lucky loot bags are back. Last festival nearly sold out, so got plenty more. We got lots of fun new stuff in here. Let's see if I can magically grab a bag that has the new items. Test my luck. Let's see how lucky I am. Am I lucky? Am I lucky? Am I lucky? I'm lucky. So, back by popular demand is my Sir Mothman Renaissance Fair design. I also have a Flatwoods and a Bigfoot one that'll be in these. You get one mystery necklace. I got some new necklaces. Got some with dragons on them. We got some new toys. Instead of a dragon toy, you can also possibly get a little knight toy this time around. And of course, we still have the inflatable toy sword. Lots of fun, especially if you didn't dress up and you want to be a part of the fun. And we have some keychains. But if you buy a lucky loot bag, that's some of the possibilities of what you can get. Every bag comes with at least 5 items, but every bag comes with a sword, a keychain, or a bracelet, a little toy figure, dragon, knight, or other fantasy creature, one of my stickers, Mothman, got lots of them in here this time around, and a necklace. So, if you want to come to my booth at the Hurricane Ren Fair this weekend on the 23rd in Hurricane, West Virginia to receive a lucky loot bag or one of my fun tie-dyes, please stop by. I hope y'all have a great day and hope you have a great time.